Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this absolutely stunning Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. It's the 2 litre HSE, top of the range. As you can see, it's in lovely condition. It's the facelift model. It's got front park distance control, upgraded alloy wheels, finished in black with privacy glass. Got the park distance control at the back, HSE body styling. All our cars are pictured and videoed outside for better light, but are kept inside for viewing in our showroom, so you can see them in any weather, rain, snow, whatever, even if it's lovely and warm and sunny. Inside you've got the boot area. It's absolutely lovely condition, not been used and abused. Electric tailgate, as you've just seen. Inside we've got the lovely contrasting cream leather interior, really is in lovely condition. We've got the fixed panoramic roof all across the roof, absolutely lovely feature. And here we have electric windows, electric memory seats, just down there, multifunction steering wheel. Car's done 71,146 miles. Just put the ignition on, so you got paddle shift on the gearbox, facelift inside here, 3-stage heated seats, got satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, different driving modes, off-road, all your multimedia there, cruise control. As I say, it's fully loaded, panoramic roof. Let me just check, I don't know whether this one's got the reverse camera, let me just double check. No, it's just park distance control on this one. There we go. This vehicle is having the benefit of a brand new timing chain fitted to it as well. You will get a receipt to show it's just had a new timing chain. These do need replacing on these cars, because if they snap, the engine will go. So, if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.